So imagine making a living helping families find answers that change lives, all from a business you run on your own terms. This isn't a side hustle. This is a mobile DNA testing business. And I'm going to break down how it works, what you need to get started, and why it could be the high impact business you've been searching for. Welcome back to My Business Vibe. This is the channel where I break down real business ideas, side hustles, and the mindset shifts you need to build time and money freedom. So if you're tired of that 9 to 5 and you're ready to take control of your future, then you're in the right place. Let's get into it. The mobile DNA testing business. This is a service-based business where you meet clients in their homes, offices, or neutral locations to collect DNA samples, usually with a cheek swab. These samples are then sent to an accredited lab for testing. Your role is being the certified collector, maintaining chain of custody, and providing a professional, reliable experience. So why this business works? DNA testing is in constant demand for paternity, immigration cases, child custody, estate settlements, and even ancestry. The mobile model makes it more convenient for clients who can't travel to a clinic. So it's a high trust business. People pay for professionalism and confidentiality. It can be scaled by hiring additional collectors or contracting with more labs. The services you'll provide is collecting cheek swabs for paternity and family relationship testing, handling legal and immigration DNA collections, ensuring chain of custody with tamper-evident packaging, delivering or shipping samples to the partner lab securely, and acting as the bridge between the client and the accredited lab. Your startup costs will likely be between $1,300 and $3,700 for training, depending on your lab, supplies, again, depending on your lab partnership, annual insurance coverage, marketing, and of course your website. You will partner with AABB accredited labs. Many labs will provide collector onboarding when you partner with them, and you will be trained in cheek swab collection, hygiene, chain of custody paperwork, and packaging. So these labs may also provide supplies and require you to follow their forms and sealing procedures. If you are required to provide your own supplies, which will depend on your lab partnership, you'll start with sterile cheek swabs, tamper-evident envelopes and seals, chain of custody forms, and shipping materials. So the type of insurance you'll want to research are general liability, which covers accidents, professional liability, errors and omissions, which covers mistakes in collection or paperwork, and also product liability insurance. How will you grow and scale this business? You can start this business solo and then build relationships with attorneys, clinics, and immigration services. And then later you'll expand by hiring more certified collectors to cover a larger service area. You can also add related services like drug testing, background check, fingerprinting, or mobile notary for bundled offerings. So here's the truth. Starting a business like this isn't just about swabs and paperwork. It's about stepping into ownership. You have to believe you're capable of providing a professional service, then commit to learning, training, and then take action. But here's where most people stop short. They try to do it alone. Business does not grow in isolation. You need to be connected to other entrepreneurs who are pushing forward, to communities where people are already doing what you're trying to do, to trainers and mentors who can show you the ropes. And that's how you get into the right rooms, hear the right conversations, and put yourself in front of opportunities that would never show up if you stayed in your own bubble. So training gives you the skill set. Community gives you the support and the proof that it can be done. And your mindset, that belief that you belong in those spaces, that's where it all clicks. So if you're serious about this, don't just collect information and walk away. Surround yourself with business-minded people, get the certifications, invest in learning, and then take the action that moves you forward. So that's the real difference between wishing for success and actually building it. So if this breakdown gave you any value, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. And as always, if you need resources or community to plug into, check the description. I've got you covered. And as always, thanks so much for vibing with me. I truly appreciate it. And until next time.